Happy Half Day, Wildcats. Today is Wednesday, February 10th. Please rise to the pledge to the flag.
My name is Lauren Stone and I'm in 4th grade. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, of liberty and justice for all.
A moment of silence. Please be seated.
Rehearsals for Mr. WB are today and Thursday at 6 o'clock for boys and girls. Boys are reminded to go to Tuxtown and Taunton this week to be fitted for their tuxes.
Valentine's Day flowers are now on sale for $1 each. The freshman and sophomore class officers will be coming around every day during Power Block to sell them. There are only a limited number of flowers, so don't wait until the last minute to buy them. All slips are due to Mrs. Longo in room 203 by Friday morning. Deliveries will take place last block on Friday.
Juniors, a reminder that there is a prom committee meeting at 7 a.m. tomorrow in Graz's room, 218.
Congratulations to the following seniors for their college acceptances. Nicole Shorey, University of Arizona, Dean College, Montclair State. Rebecca McGinnis, Coastal Carolina University.
Reminder, Spanish Honor Society will meet in room 214 at 7:10 a.m. tomorrow morning for the monthly meeting. Please be in attendance and on time as well. We will be discussing the upcoming World Language Night. If you cannot make the meeting, please see Senora Oliveira today.
Attention Ski Club members, if you have not put in your order for a Ski Club jacket, pants, or shirt and wish to do so, please see Mr. Cray by the end of this week or you will be left out in the cold.
Congratulations to Erica Whittam for scoring point number 1,000 in her high school career as a junior. Erica scored the milestone in the first quarter at Bishop Colony and was mobbed by her teammates. Erica ended the game with 16 points, followed by Casey Willis with 9.
This victory moved the team to an 18-0 record and secured at least a tie for the league championship for the 6th consecutive season. The girls play home on Friday versus longtime rival Westport. This will be their senior night, so let's all give support to the team and Marissa Joyce, the only senior on the squad.
Reminder to the debate team members, be back at school by 3 p.m. for today's debate here at the high school. Please meet in Mr. Ennis's room.
That's all for the announcements today. On behalf of Aline, myself, and the morning crew, have a great day.